We're looking at the parts for a ball turner. This is the base plate. I have to remove my my compound slide, and there are a couple of bolts sticking up, and they either fit in these two or these two holes, depending if I want to have this in or out a little bit, and that would depend on the size of the piece I have in the chuck to turn the ball on. So this hole is a 1/2 inch hole in the middle. I have a shoulder bolt that fits through that 1/2 inch hole, like so, into a hole on the bottom of this piece here. Now this piece here is threaded to accept that thread here. And we do not want this to be tight when it screws into here. So we've drilled another hole all the way through here for a set screw. The set screw can come down to the correct depth so that this doesn't tighten up against the plate, because we want it to swing. So with a little grease on there, this works quite nicely. The other thing we had to do here, move that out of the way here. The other thing we've had to do is create this slot, and it has a couple of screws that go through that hold this piece here. And it slides in like so. The bigger you want the ball, the more you move that out, and then you can lock these two screws in position. Now the toughest part of this whole thing was not the handle. The handle was easy. We just drilled and tapped a hole anywhere we wanted. But getting this seat right here to have the cutting piece at the right height. We needed to get that just right so it's on the center line of your chuck. And I think you just about have it here. By the way, I did turn this radius using this setup here. So you've got the rough idea of how I did it, I think. And there you go. All right, the compound slide has been removed, and to install this, we got one too many screws here. We just put them over top of these two screws, put the nuts on here, and we're ready to start it going. The compound slide has been removed, and the ball cutter has been installed on the two bolts that were originally holding the compound slide. Now this is just a locking mechanism that locks this in place and stops it from swiveling. And if you wanted to do something like just face off that end, you could do that. Now we're going to try to cut a ball on the end of here. Going back everything up here. Come into about here. We're just guessing at this for right now because we just want to show you how it works. Well, that's enough of a ball to show you how it works and give you an idea. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.